This video, we're gonna go from this to this. Alright, so I've already got the wheel off. I'm gonna replace these sway bar end links. Again, a little bit of suspension noise. I suspect that's what it is. So I got the wheel off already, and the car jacked up. It's on jack stand, secured, wheels chock, all that fun stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put the jack underneath the suspension and raise it up just a bit. The suspension of the car. There we go. Alright, so jack the suspension up just enough to relieve the pressure on it. Okay, so here's the old, and here's the new one. It's actually much beefier. Not only is it beefier, it also has grease certs in it. So I can grease it, which I'm going to go ahead and do before I put them on. Okay, I put a little bit of Loctite blue on there. Okay, leave that loose for now. Up here. There we go. Okay, just
And that's what it takes to replace the sway bar end links. The parts I use along with links to those parts will be down in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Okay, gonna put a little Loctite on here, or a bunch.